National Craft Month. Welcome to the March 8th video. Today, I'm Cindy Lewis and I'm celebrating National Craft Month with you with a big giveaway. So all those little prizes back there, I don't know if you can tell exactly, but there's a whole list of them in the March 1st video, which is where you can enter to win one of those prizes. And it's a big giveaway this month that I'm celebrating my subscribers this month. And you can get in on it by putting the words craft giveaway in your comments on the March 1st video. It's linked below in the description. Head over to the March 1st video and put the words craft giveaway in there to be part of that giveaway. Now you can enter every single day, so I do want you to know that. But today's video is about Temu. Again, I did a Temu haul a couple of days ago when I got my very first order in. Then I got contacted by Temu, and so there are some really special discounts for you to save on anything that you want to buy from there. And if you sign up, there's another discount if you're a new user. So they have an app. It's mailed from the US, and it takes, about a week to 2 weeks to get your things. If you haven't seen the video, I am going to link it to my very first order, but don't miss those special discounts and everything that are linked below. Now, I am going to get, since they contacted me and I am an affiliate, so I do get some kickback or whatever for it. I am going to get some, free stuff that they are sending me to share with you. So that's exciting too. But this one I paid for myself. This is the second order that I've put in, and I've got my description all down here beside me so that I can share with you what I ordered. And I wanted to kind of see different things, but this is mainly crafts because you know me, junk journal stuff, craft stuff. I'm always looking for that deal, and I want to pass it along to you. So let's jump in. So I pulled everything out. So everything is just here. It's not any particular order. I'm going to sort of straighten it out for you so that I can share with you what I ordered and give you the prices, because I know that helps. I did order a few of their little earrings. They're so cute and they were so inexpensive. So I did order some of those. I want to show you those as well as all this other fun stuff. Look at all this. And this was like 30 bucks. I mean, all of it. And so anyway, I will show you. So, okay. So, this is called an Eternal Inkless pencil, and it says it's everlasting. So I wanted to see what it was like. It clips on, and I think it's pencil. So, let's see. Yeah, it's a pencil. How cool is that? So if you need a pencil for $1.48, the inkless. Oh, what is that? Ooh. So this comes in this little container, little folder. And these are like little bills that you can use in your junk journals. And they're like little receipts. And you get 50 of them. It's pretty cool. I don't know who pays $270 for gold mirror sunglasses, but hey, at the supermarket. But anyway, so you get 50 sheets, and this was $1.69. So pretty interesting, cool. I wanted to try things out so that I could share with you about those. Then the black and white stickers. So let's see, where's my word stickers for 99 cents. Okay, so for 99 cents, I got these black and white word stickers. So they're all kinds. You get 46 pieces. Like this one says, while there's life, there's hope. What you seek is seeking you. Clumsy birds have to start flying early. So anyway, a lot of different fonts and little quotes. So these were $1.98. And you get 50. And what a fun thing for spring. And these are big little bumblebee bees. Be happy. fuzzy bee, cute little bees, and all of this. So really, really cute bee stickers, and you get 50. So let me show you the earrings. So this set was $1.79. It's handmade synthetic. It's pink gem. Really cute, cute earrings. And they're not too big, so they were $1.79. So I wanted to show you those. And then let me show you these other pairs of earrings that I got. Now, these are really popular, and if you go to some of the stores, you'll pay a whole lot more than $1.16. So look how cute these are. They're on both sides. These are really cute. $1.16 for those that like earrings. This set is also very cute. $1.34. Look how cute these are. Both sides. Really cute. Really cute. Does anybody make their own earrings like this? Then they had these cute ones that are cut out. It says wooden St. Patrick, $1.25. They're very light, and they need some sparkle, I think. $1.25. And then the last set I got are bunnies. I think they need sparkle too. And these were $1.39. So cute. Let me show you how cute that is. Now, aren't these cute? I mean, I got all of these for probably what one pair would cost. So that's all these earrings. All these earrings of lace, I think. $1.98. And they all have some lace on the picture, or the idea of lace. They're not real lace, but they're pictures. And like doilies or frames. And they're really pretty. And so cute and vintage. And so you get 50. They're called Chapter of Lace, and they were $1.98 for you. The next thing I wanted to show you are these 40 pack of alphabet. This is what they call alphabet phrases, but basically they're little phrases. They're mainly this kind of gray or black color. They look to be, you know, translucent, or the black seems to be opaque. And one is never too old to learn, or they're just all phrases that you can use in your junk journals, in your journaling, making tags. You're always looking for something. And these were $1.48, and you get 40 of them. Pretty cool, right? And then I also picked up these little pieces of fabric. I love little pieces of fabric, or bigger pieces, but these would be fun to add to any of your makes that you're doing. And you get 50 pieces. Look at that. You get 50 pieces here for $1.98 for all of this. All of this. And there's all kinds. There's a mixture. So it's just a mixture of different pieces. These are 4x4. And it was $1.98 for all of that. Then I got a piece, let's see, I got the retro lace. These ones are the square, and they have the idea of lace as well. And it's just the flowers. Is that right? Retro lace. Yeah, with the flowers. So pretty. And this was $1.69. And then I did get this set of retro decorative notes. You get 50 for $1.69. So let me show you real quick. And they're all those kinds of old notepads, receipt books, that kind of thing to use in all of your journaling. So that one. And see, all of this was just really inexpensive. Then I got the 20 character horses elements. Let me find that. All right, so this is the horses element. It is really beautiful. Get 20 pieces. They are large. So let's see. I think that's like a 5x7. They're beautiful. They're for your pages. Just gorgeous. And they have all different designs in here. Really, really pretty. So this was $1.98. Next, I want to show you these retro characters. These are fashion ladies. These are sort of like the paper doll stickers that I got. However, these are not outlined in white. You get 40 of them, and they're smaller, so they'd be great for your junk journals, tags. So cute, and so many different styles of these characters. And these cost $1.69. So you get 40. Pretty nice, I would say. I can't wait to dive into some of these more and just play with the different things. Like Monday night, we did use or look at one of the deco packs I got with papers and stickers. And that was a prize, so that was cool. All right, so next we have the vintage box, this one, of the $1.29. I think this is it. $1.29. And these are just like little stamps, if you will. But they're, I think they're stickers, actually. No, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, it says stickers, so they are stickers. But they're very interesting. They're all pretty much this same color. They're very vintage looking. And they all look like stamps. And you get a box. How many's in the box? I am not sure. About the same as the other box we had. Like this, it had about 40, I think, is what was in there. And I think this is going to be about, well, 46 was in that box. So probably about the same. Not looking at that, but it was $1.29 for this. This one, I think, for $1.18. You get 35 sheets. And these are all really cool, but they're like miniaturized. Like this is a newspaper page, but it's tiny. I bet you could read it if you had a magnifying glass because, I mean, you can see the words are actually there. But you have all of these, and this doesn't feel like parchment, but it looks like it, right? So you've got all these pretty cool, especially for, I love the ship. My dad used to love these ships, and he worked with ships, so that was pretty cool. Not the sailboat kind, but or sailing ship kind, but pretty cool. So you've got all these different ones, and these are all old style, like Sherlock Holmes. How cool is that? So there we go. So we've got that set. And that was $1.18 for that one. And then we have the Steam Age. So I have two Steam Age. These were $1.39 a piece. I got two different ones. This one has a little bit different like color theme. So, they don't really say like, they do say on the site, but like these are the, whew, well, look at how she's dressed. Love the suitcases. And see, these are the thin vellum like paper. So that's very cool. And I can't wait to use some of this stuff. And the price is what's getting me. So these were $1.39. And the other packet was also $1.39. So if you are looking for things to add to your junk journal stash, I am telling you the way to go. Right now, thumbs up to Temu for these cool additions to our stash for junk journals. So these are the Steam Age look. That's your compass, your clocks, and your wheels, and your clogs. Very cool. Very cool. Wow, look at these. Oh, I love them. So I know it's going to be hard to choose, but what do you think is your favorite Now you do get 20 of these pages in each one for $1.39. So I looked these up. These are the retro posters. You get 50 and they are very cool. They're small. They're all the same size. They're about the same size anyways. They are $1.98. So you have this like old record mail with Cher, and then here's an old one for Schlitz beer. Whoever even heard of that anymore? A royal icing, I think. Baking powder. A movie poster. These are very cool. And these were $1.98, and they're like super cool for your journals and everything. These are some more stickers for like spring and everything. They're really cute. Flowers, baskets, bicycles, butterflies, your key. And these are your, let's see, which stickers are these? These are your, sorry, I thought I had looked everything up and don't have it on my sheet, so not sure, but these are really, really cute. All right, so I wasn't recording. So just to let you know, they have these fun reprints of actual pages. These are really cool. I think you get about 50 here. I think they were just right over $1. Just like this set here. These are really fun. This is not a 50 set. But they also have these posters, these old retro posters, $1.98 for this 50 set. Really, really cute. So stickers here, more stickers, a lot of fun things. The earrings for just $1 and change. The fun papers for themed with horses, really beautiful. Just all of it is a really good deal. Don't forget, I'd like to know what your favorite is, by the way. And don't forget to enter the National Craft Month giveaway on my channel. It's on the March 1st videos where you enter. It's linked below. Also, I invite you to check out Temu. It's a really good deal. And I think that you would enjoy checking it out and getting some of these cool deals if you're looking for something inexpensive. There's a link below with special codes, and if you're new to Temu, you do get that discount, and then there's some other discounts below, so you can just check that out. Also, if you're interested, there's an app, and they do send you notifications of special deals and free shipping and that kind of thing. So anyway, thanks so much for watching this today. Happy National Craft Month, and come back tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.